Hola, today we're gonna learn how to talk about the weather in Spanish. First of all, to ask how the weather is today, we're gonna use one of the two following questions. Question number one, ¿Qué tiempo hace? Hace frío. So what's the weather like? It's cold. ¿Qué tiempo hace? Hace frío. Question number two, ¿Cómo está el clima hoy? How is the weather today? Está nublado. And if you have noticed, there are two ways to answer about the weather, two verbs that we're going to use. Hacer, so hace, estar, está. And we're going to learn these verbs later, but just remember hace and está. We're going to talk about temperature. So, ¿qué temperatura hace? What's the temperature? And we can say hace plus the number plus the grados. Also, don't forget that in many Spanish-speaking countries, they use Celsius instead of Fahrenheit. So the numbers is going to be slightly different based on the person you're talking to. So when the weather is good and it's sunny, you can say hace buen tiempo. When the weather is not that great, you can say hace mal tiempo. When it's really cold, like in Iowa, hace frío. When it's okay, it's cool, but you can go out, hace fresco. And then when it's really hot, hace calor. We still have a few more. Hace viento, it's windy. Hace sol, it's sunny. And those are all the expressions we're going to do for today with hacer. And now we're going to move to, of course, estar. And we have está nublado, it's cloudy. Está nevando o nieva when it's snowing. Está lloviendo o llueve when it's raining. And hay tormentas, we don't use estar, we use hay when it's very stormy. This is it for today. Adios.